Hello, assalamualaikum. Here in Durat Al Arus, we fix already 4 door closer. And this is the number 1, and this is the number 2, and this is the number 3. And this the number 4. This is the different door. It's open outside, so we put the motor in outside. And we fix already the sample of the pads fitting here with the handrail. So we need to make this one strong because it's wavering, and this one we need the same support here. What we will do here is it's up to Mondi Sam what is design here, and all of this wants to be make strong, and also that handrail there over there outside.